Good morning, guys. Welcome to Saint Petersburg. We got here last night really late. I'd say probably about 2, 3 in the morning. Really didn't get much sleep because our friends' roommates kept us up. They were a little drunk, but it was all good. Right now we're just strolling around bright and early in the morning, enjoying the sun. I love Saint Petersburg so far, man. It's great. Okay, so we just paid $8. We found this online. It's Sunkin's Garden, and it's beautiful here. Look at this. It's so tropical looking. There's birds everywhere.
Don't you come back? Why you always come back? Don't you come back?
All right, this is Mindy right here, apparently. You say hi, Mindy? Hi, Mindy.
Speak. Hello. Say hi.
Hello.
No, she says hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Always come back. Don't you come back?
What was that? Hello.
What? Hello. I hate you? Is that what
You
you're
hate
saying?
me?
He's laughing at you.
Stop laughing at me.
Chase! Record! Record your thing. Hello.
Hi.
Are you the one who were playing the Caribbean music?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, nice. Red wine. How long have you been playing this?
About 5 years now.
5 years?
I volunteered here about 3 years ago
Yeah.
when I had just been playing. And everybody I talked to, not everybody, but 90% of the people, they said, do you have a CD? Do you have a CD? And I was like, well, no. And I thought they were being kind. Like, you're good enough to make one, but I would never buy one. I just wonder if you've been through all that and gone to a studio and made a recording. So I said, well, I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
So I made a recording, and ever since then, people buy them all the time.
Hey, you can't get a CD.
Oh, cool. Yeah, well,
Check that guy's car out. That's the coolest thing I've ever seen. That's sick, I want one. So, we were told the sunset here is amazing. And look at this. This is beautiful here. And this is at just some college, Eckerd College. And look at all the people that came out to just watch it. It's awesome. So Sully's never tried Waffle House, and all of our friends went to that bar right there, a seafood bar, to eat. We decided, screw that, we're gonna go to the Waffle House.
It blow me away. You made my soul cry.
Peanut butter waffles, never had them. This should be quite interesting. So good.
Is it?
It's so good.
Quit.
Yo, the water's so clear. So we're walking back to the car right now. I apologize for the low light. You can't really see anything right now. I can't even see myself, but we're gonna go back to the dorm and go to sleep. It's a lot later than I actually expected it to be. It's like 2 in the morning right now, so we want to get some sleep because we have a big day planned tomorrow. So good night, guys.